Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting at the back of our mats, and if it's comfortable we'll sit in kneeling. So the knees are bent, the bum is back on the heels, sit up with a nice tall spine. Relax the shoulders, maybe close your eyes, and then take a deep breath in through the nose and a full breath out through the mouth. Again, we take a deep breath in through the nose and a full releasing exhale out. One more time, exactly like that. And then whenever you're ready, gently open up through your eyes, and on your inhale, reach both hands all the way up to the sky, bring the palms together, exhale, hands to heart center. And again, deep breath in as we sweep the arms up a little bit higher, open up the chest, exhale, hands to heart center. Good, third and final time, big breath in, reaching up. And then exhale, hands down through center. Take the hands to the floor, open up the knees and walk yourself into your first child's pose. Let the forehead come down, melt your chest towards your mat and just feel that big stretch through the upper back. Maybe walking the fingertips a little bit further forwards. Take a full breath here. And then release yourself back into kneeling. So coming back onto the knees. And staying like this if it feels good, or we can take our toes pose here. So if we're taking toes pose, we want to tuck the toes under. Try to space out all of your toes so that each toe has a little space on the mat, and sit your bum back on your heels, feeling that stretch up through the soles of your feet. As we inhale, we're going to lift the hands up towards the sky, send the gaze up, and as we exhale, we're going to cactus open the arms. So bring the elbows in line with your shoulders, open the chest up and maybe lean back. Inhale, we lift the hands up. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale to cactus arms. Final time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, cactus the arms open. Stop and hold it here. We spread the fingers wide, we squeeze the shoulder blades at the back. Take a full round of breath. And then release the arms down to your mat, walk the hands forwards, and we can untuck the toes here, give the toes a little pat out on your mat, and then come back in to your tabletop. Cat-cow from here. Inhale as we take the tailbone up and look forwards. Exhale as we tuck the chin into the chest, we round the back. Good, so inhale, we roll forwards, drop the belly. Exhale, chin to the chest, belly button towards the spine. And then just continue to roll through these cat-cows in your own time. Just linking each movement up with your own breath. Closing the eyes if that feels good. Good, take one more full round here. Inhale. Exhale. And then come right back into center. From here we find a downward facing dog by tucking the toes under, lifting the hips up and back. Welcoming this stretch through the back of your body. Maybe starting to walk the dog out here, just pedaling out through the feet. Breathing into your hamstrings, into your back. Stay strong through the arms. Good, and then eventually come back into stillness. Your knees can be straight or bent in this downward facing dog, it doesn't matter. But the arms are strong, we're pressing the hands into the mat. Our gaze is back towards the toes, feeling that length through the back of your neck. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Good, on your next inhale, we lift the left leg up towards the sky. Point the toes away and extend that leg as much as you can. Hold it here, stay strong. Take a deep breath in, and then as we exhale, come forwards into your plank, hug that left knee in towards the chest. We'll do that again. Inhale to your three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to chest. One more time. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Hold it here. Engage the core, pull that knee up. Take a full breath. And then drop that left knee into the center of your mat. Open the toes out towards the left hand side, and then lift your right fingertips up towards the sky. Finding this side plank variation here with that left knee grounded. Trying to stack the shoulders on top of each other so we're creating this one long line with the arms. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Good, and then go ahead and lift yourself all the way up to center. Open the arms nice and wide, just like you're going to give someone a big hug. Take a deep breath in and a full exhale. Good, from here, take the right hand onto the outside of your leg and reach the left arm towards the back of your mat. Keep the chest open. Keep that left shoulder rolling back. Reach the fingertips away. Breathing here. Good, and then release yourself back to center. From here, we're going to inhale as we lift the hands up. Exhale, cactus, open the arms, squeeze the shoulder blades at the back. So inhale as we lift. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale, lift. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, lift. Exhale, cactus. One more time. Inhaling as we lift. Exhale to find those cactus arms, holding it here. Open up your chest. Shine your heart forwards. And then release the hands. Let that left hand come back to the mat and reach the right fingertips towards the top of your mat. So we are extending through the right hand side of the body as much as you can. Feel that length that you're creating in through the side of your waist, your rib cage, your shoulder. Take a full breath here. Good, and then lower that right hand back to the floor. We're going to lift that left knee up and come back into your plank with that knee towards the chest. From here, step the left foot back, take an inhale, and exhale, lower all the way down to your belly. Untuck the toes at the bottom, keep the hands underneath of your shoulders, and as we inhale, we're going to lift to find our Cobra, and exhale to lower the chest back to your mat. So we inhale as we lift, shine the heart forwards, exhale to lower. Just rolling through these in your own time, and it doesn't matter how high we're lifting the chest. We can keep this a small movement or it can be a big movement. Trying to engage the muscles in your upper back every time we lift. The next time we exhale, Lower the chest back to the floor, slide the hands back just a little bit, and then press yourself into your child's pose. Just resting your body here, giving the lower back a moment to decompress, a moment to round itself out. And then when you're ready, we're going to come out of child's pose and we're going to meet in downward facing dog. So lifting the hips up and back, fingertips are spread wide on the mat, and we might come back to that movement. So pedaling out those feet once again. Maybe this time noticing if we can go a little bit deeper. So as we pedal the feet, maybe we start to bend each knee a little bit deeper than previously. Maybe the opposite heel begins to drop a bit deeper towards the floor. Good, eventually come back into stillness. Take a full inhale and a full exhale. Good, on your next inhale, we lift the right toes this time up towards the sky. Hold it here. We point the toes away, we extend the leg. Take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, roll forwards into your plank. Pull that right knee up towards your chest. Inhale to three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to chest. One more time, three-legged dog. And knee to chest. We hold it here. Keep pressing the mat away, strong through the upper back. And then drop that right knee into the center of your mat. Open the toes towards the right hand side of your mat, and then lift the left fingers up to the sky. And hold it here. Breathing deeply. Stacking the shoulders one on top of the other. One long line with the arms. Take a full breath. And then when you're ready, use your core to pull yourself up into center. We have the arms open nice and wide, like we're going to give someone a big hug. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Take a breath. Good. From here, we're going to take the left hand onto the outside of the left leg and reach that right arm up and over. Welcoming this stretch through the right hand side of your waist. Shine your heart up to the sky. We breathe. Good, and then release, coming back into center. From here, we're going to lift the hands up as we inhale, and as we exhale, cactus, open the arms. Inhale to lift. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, lift and reach. Exhale, cactus the arms. Final time, inhale, lift. Exhale, cactus, open the arms, and we hold it here. Can we send those elbows a little further back? And take your last breath. Good, and then release. Let that right hand come to your mat and reach the left fingertips up and over. Trying to bring that inner arm right by your ear, reaching the fingers away so that we're creating as much length through the side body as possible. Full breath. And then to release, we circle that left hand back to the mat. We're going to tuck the left toes under and pull the right knee in towards the chest. Good. Step the right toes back into your full plank. Take an inhale and exhale, find your chaturanga. So lower down to the mat. Inhale into your cobra or upward facing dog. And then exhale, we're going to press it back into a child's pose. Toes together, knees apart, fingertips reaching forwards as the forehead drops towards your mat. Take a couple of slow breaths here. Keeping the legs exactly as they are, we're going to see if we can take that right arm in underneath. So we're bringing the right shoulder and the right upper arm onto your mat and keep the forehead down towards the floor. Stretching out the right hand side of your upper back and your shoulder. Great, release whenever you're ready. The right arm comes forwards, and this time the left arm is going to come in underneath, trying to bring that left shoulder, the left upper arm on the mat. And keep your chest square. Forehead down towards the floor. Good, release whenever you're ready, back into your child's pose. And then we can come out by slowly walking the hands back and towards your knees. We are back exactly where we started in this kneeling position, and we'll finish with a little twist either side. So on your next inhale, just gently take the hands up, and as we exhale, we're going to turn towards the left. So let the right hand come somewhere onto the outside of your left thigh. The left hand comes onto the mat behind you, and we're turning the chest as far as we can. Starting to send the gaze over the back shoulder. Slowly releasing back through center as we lift the hands up. And on your exhale, twisting the opposite way. Right hand coming onto the mat behind you. Sending your gaze back. And then gently releasing it back through center. We can take the hands up, bring the palms together, and exhale your hands to your heart. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I really hope you've liked this video. If you have, you can let me know. And if you would like to see more from me, please subscribe. Whatever you're doing, have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.